Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, وقفينا على آثارهم بعيسى ابن مريم مصدقا لما بين يديه من التوراة وآتيناه الإنجيل فيه هدى ونور ومصدقا لما بين يديه من التوراة وهدى وموعظة للمتقين. Translation: And we sent Isa, Jesus, son of Maryam, following in their footsteps, confirming that which was revealed before him in Torah, and we gave him the gospel Injil, which was having guidance and a light, confirming that was in Torah revealed before it, a guidance and instructions and advice for those who fear Allah to be pious. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned some of the commandments in Torah, and now in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about Jesus alayhi salam and mentioning about the gospel Injil that was given to Jesus alayhi salam. Jesus alayhi salam or Isa alayhi salam came after many prophets of Bani Israel had come, and they all taught and preached according to the Torah or Bible. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave a new book to Jesus alayhi salam that was the gospel or Injil, and the Injil confirmed about the book that was before Isa alayhi salam, and that was the Torah. Both Torah and Injil had clear predictions about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the Jews and the Christians knew about the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam because it was clearly mentioned in their books. However, for the worldly gains, they tried to hide those predictions. Even today, we will find that there are predictions still in today's Torah, and one of the example is the ayah number or verse number 18 of chapter number 18 in the book of Deuteronomy, that the prediction of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is still there if we ponder on it. One thing is very clear, that all the prophets confirm the previous prophets or the coming prophets, and this has been finished because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the final prophet, and there is no other prophet going to come. Similarly, the books of Allah don't deny each other, and there is no contradiction in the books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. However, the previous books have been altered and are not in the original form. About gospel or Injil, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in this ayah that it had guidance and light, and it confirmed the previous book which was Torah, and it also had guidance and instructions and advice for those who had taqwa, for those who fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be pious. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.